So for this week, we're going to finish up talking about Bernoulli's equation and talk about the concept of stagnation points. And from there, we're going to move into the conservation of energy equation. And the conservation of energy equation is very important because it's going to form the basis of what we do for pipe flow. In fact, everything that we do for pipe flow is really going to flow out of this energy equation that we set up. And as you're going to see over the next couple of weeks during pipe flow, we're just going to be adding another piece onto it from there. Because we're going to start with the energy equation, then we're just going to start layering things on top of it. And you're going to notice that all the problems that we're going to solve for pipe flow are going to basically be the same. We're just going to make them, I don't want to say more difficult because it's not really more difficult, but we're going to be adding more pieces. So the process will be the same, and it's just we're just going to keep adding on to it until eventually we get to a point where at the end of the class you're going to look back and you're just going to see how much that we do with this one equation.